So how do we make the subject of the formula? To make the subject of the formula, what we are really trying to do is to make x the subject. We're trying to get x by itself. So to do this, here's what we could do. What we could do is we could say, well, if x were equal to a number, for example, 1, what would you do? So the first thing you will do with that number, let's say is 1. The first thing you will do is multiply by 2. Second thing you will do is minus 3. So to make x the subject of the formula, what we have to do is to do the reverse to 5. So the reverse of minus in 3 is adding 3. And the reverse of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. So let's do it. X is equal to 5 plus 3 divided by 2, right? And that will give you your answer, a divided by 2. That is 4. Let's try our next one. Here we have 3x squared minus 4 is equal to 8. We do the same thing. If x were a number, what's the first thing I will do to x? First thing I will do, I'll square it. Then I'll multiply it by 3. Then I'll minus 4 from it. So what's the reverse? The reverse is add 4, divide by 3, and the reverse of x squared is square root. So let's do that to 8. First thing, let's add 4 to it. Then let's divide by 3. And then let's square root the whole thing. Right? So that's 12 on 3. That's 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Let's go again. Right? Here we have the square root of 5x minus 6 is 3. Right? Again, imagine if x were a number, what would you do? First thing, you would multiply by 5. Then you would minus 6. Then you would square root the whole thing. Let's do the reverse now. The reverse is square, then add 6, then divide by 5. So x is equal to 3. You're going to square it, then add 6, then divide by 5. And you have your answer there. Right, so x is equal to, what's that? 9 plus 6 divided by 5, that's 3. Let's go again. Last one here. Here we do have numbers, but same principle applies. We want to make a the subject of the formula. So to make a the subject of the formula, pretend a was a number. What would you do to that number? First thing, you would multiply by 2, then multiply by s, and then add it to u squared. Let's do the reverse now. With minus in u squared. We're going to divide by s, and then we're going to divide by 2. So a will be equal to b squared. What do we do? Minus u squared, then divide by s, and divide by 2 as well. And that's it. That's the way you make subject of the formula.